This is the unboxing video of Samsung digital cam MX10, which is a 34x optical zoom flash memory camcorder. I'm gonna open this, and I buy this so that in the future, with all my videos on my blog and on my site, I'm gonna on my YouTube, I'm gonna use this. So first we have a warranty card, 1 year warranty, international, and your manual with DVD Media Pro 2.1, which is some kind of software, and some kind of, I don't know, this is maybe the sync disk, syncing, before syncing on something. Yeah, the user manual, which may be in different languages. The battery, pretty small. It's not for the camcorder, of course. And wire kind of thing to connect the lens remover with it. Yeah. So first I'm going to open this section, and we have a charger, which is Indian style, with a I don't know what kind of input charger is that. It's not micro SD, mini USB. Sorry. Yeah, this is in composite AV audio cable with the which again, I don't think so. It is a 3.5. Yep. It's using S-Video plus a AV composite and an S-Video, and some kind of connector. And what do we have else in this section? We have USB to mini USB connector for the camcorder, and in this section we have 2 units, which is cloth case for the camcorder, which is pretty big, and the cloth is silky too. Good. And finally, the camcorder. Nothing else in this. Yeah. So this also has a 150-degree slide of its handle, 150-degree, and you can see it. strip which can be removed, and 2.7-inch LCD display with a 34x zoom, Schneider's 120 minutes battery life, 34x zoom, Schneider's, and which has both 16:9 and 4:3 ratios, widescreen recording, and it supports SD card, and this can be used to upload videos from this camcorder directly to the YouTube, and I will be using this in my as a for an unboxing which will be done pretty soon, and it will be my means it has been, the box had been unboxed before also, but I will do it again so that I come to know the quality of this camcorder and how good it is. So that's it. This is SEA URIKUMAR. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.